welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make takoyaki. Takoyaki is very popular food, especially in Kansai area, which is like Osaka or Kyoto, Nara, that west coast side. Of course, Tokyo people eat those too, and popular. I'm gonna show you how to make it today. I used this green onion, but you may not be able to find it, so use regular scallion. And if you're gonna use regular scallion, you probably need 5 or 6 pieces. I add a list of ideas of inside of takoyaki, and I like mochi, so I use my mochi here. And this is the other idea. I found seafood mix, and they have small seafood stuff, so this is a great idea to use it. You may be able to buy this one, but I couldn't, so I made this one. How to make tempura bits is make tempura batter and deep fry it. I recommend use this kind of container. Make your job much easier. Add oil again here, and I put almost 1/3 of the oil in the hole. I recommend you put tempura bits and green onion here, and maybe it's better to put Beni-shoga too. Make your job easier. At this point, make sure the temperature is hot enough. I put chopsticks here, and you will see if the bubbles around the chopsticks is coming out, and if so, it's ready. And here again, I should have used ketchup container. That's make my job much easier. And put the liquid 2/3 of the whole. Here I put quickly octopus in the hole. Now I put tempura bits and onion on top. And Beni-shoga here. So like I said before, maybe you should put 3 of those ingredients mixed together first. Make your job a little easier. On top of that, again, put the liquid on top and make the hole full. Wait a little bit. Now I use chopsticks separate between holes. Now I start rolling takoyaki, and sometimes they have heat enough and not cooked. If it's not cooked, you cannot roll. I hope you enjoyed my video today, and this is how to make takoyaki, and maybe you want to try for the future. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.